Picture a city skyline full of lush green gardens instead of concrete. Welcome to the world of vertical farming. Empire State Building, Burj Khalifa, could they one day be more than architectural marvels? Could they be the future's biggest food producers? Vertical farming uses stacked layers to grow crops, maximizing space in city centers where land is scarce. An interesting fact about vertical farming is it uses 95% less water compared to traditional farming methods. Imagine stepping into your backyard only to harvest fresh vegetables from your personal vertical garden. Vertical farming isn't limited to just vegetables. Produce like strawberries, herbs, and even certain types of fish can grow vertically. Vertical farms can grow food all year round, no matter the weather outside. Now that's a plot twist Mother Nature didn't expect. Traditional farming is heavily reliant on favorable weather and natural resources, while vertical farming breaks these barriers. Ever dreamt of eating a salad picked straight out of a skyscraper? Vertical farming might just make your dreams come true. But it's not all rosy. Vertical farming comes with challenges such as high setup costs and energy consumption. However, with advances in sustainable energy sources and growing techniques, these challenges are being slowly overcome. It's innovation at its greenest. Imagine the incredible transformation when we turn urban areas into productive green space. With vertical farming, we can shift from transport-heavy food systems to local production right in our cities. Vertical farming could greatly reduce our food miles. That's the distance food travels from farms to your plate. So next time you gaze at a vast concrete vista, envision those gray walls turning green with the help of vertical farming. This paves the way for an era of fresher food, lower carbon footprints, and beautiful skylines. That's the future vertical farming promises. By investing in vertical farming, we're not just changing the way we grow food, we're transforming city life as we know it. Imagine looking outside your apartment window to see a cascade of verdant vines instead of barren concrete. So let's bring the farm to the city, one skyscraper at a time. Let's turn our concrete jungles into thriving greenhouses for everyone. Thank you for watching. Together we can explore the fantastic potential that vertical farming has to offer for a more sustainable future. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Gaia's Green Space for more exciting content on how modern farming is quite literally growing up.